Water continues to drip into my washing machine even after it's turned off. Why and how do I fix this? It doesn't matter where the dial is set on the machine, either.
Hello, my name is I will be assisting you with your issues today. Please give me a minute to review your question. Does the water still drip in if you unplug the unit?
I don't know. I've not unplugged it. I can though. It will probably take a few minutes for me to do that. I can do it now. Would you like me to do that now?
Yeah, see what it does. Basically, you are looking at one of two issues with this problem. If it still drips in when the unit is unplugged, you are looking at a bad water valve that is not closing all the way and letting water in. If it doesn't do it while it is unplugged, you are looking at voltage being sent to the valve when it shouldn't be and would be looking at a bad control/timer. However, this is usually the less likely scenario.
Okay, it's unplugged and I've put a dry cloth in the bottom of the tub to see if the dripping continues. I should know something in a few minutes.
Alright, let me know what you find. In the meantime, do you have the model number of the unit by chance?
Let me see if I can get the model number.
Okay.
The only part of the model number I could get was W50U serial number? M49358G. The stands for a number or letter I don't know. Sorry. It's unplugged and doesn't seem to be dripping anywhere.
The two numbers before the 50 are probably the most important as far as getting parts for it go. It will be pretty tough to make sure what is going on without those. As far as it not dripping while it is unplugged, that means we would be looking at something sending power to the water valve that shouldn't be, and makes it even more imperative that we get the correct model number of it. There may possibly be a sticker on the back that has the model number on it, but they didn't use those very often.
I have checked the back and there are no other model or serial numbers anywhere. I guess it will just have to continue to drip. No water gets wasted as the drippy water is used for the next load anyway.
Alright, is the rest of the model number just rubbed away that you can't see it, or what?
The model number and serial number had a drop of white enamel paint on them, from when I had touched up some small rust spots elsewhere, so they wouldn't get bigger. I must have dripped the paint there.
Ah, I see, that's no good. I would hate to be guessing and having you order parts that we weren't sure were for the right machine. If you do continue to use it as it is, I would definitely make sure to shut the water off at the hoses if you are not around though. You definitely don't want it to overflow the machine. I always strive for 5-star service, and if you do have any more questions after rating me, you can always come back to this question and post them.
There's no chance of it overflowing unless we were to go out of town for an extended length of time and leave it plugged in.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.